Sorry, you guys. Hey, you guys, I'm back with the video. I know it's been a while since I uploaded. I'm still taking a break from Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm taking a break from YouTube for the most part. Social media. I still get on Facebook, but that's about it. So, yeah, I'm still taking a break. But this card has been. I've been hearing about this card, and I thought I'd do a video on it. Just because I don't. Because I'm taking a break doesn't mean I don't keep up with the game. You know, it's a part of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Player's life. So, let's talk about this card, Mystic Mine. It's a field spell coming out in Dark Neostorm tomorrow, actually, sometime, I believe. If your opponent controls more monsters than you do, your opponent cannot activate monster effects or declare an attack. If you control more monsters than your opponent does, you cannot activate monster effects or declare an attack. Once per turn during the end phase, if both players control the same number of monsters, destroy this card. This card is being overhyped for no reason. Do you want to know what this card is going to do? I might be wrong. I could be wrong. But I feel like this card isn't going to do anything in real life. It might see some competitive play online tournaments, but in real life, this card is complete in sense of tournament. Like, YCS region. It might see local tops, maybe, but outside of locals, which doesn't count, it's not going to see any play competitively, and if it does, it's not going to be up there in the top tables. Just way too many ways to out it. Just don't summon the fucking. They go first. Activate Mystic Mine. Cool. Just pass your turn. Mystic Mine is now destroyed. If they happen to have Theodrama 3-0 card? Oh, I mean, there's still Twin Twisters. There's MST. Your opponent isn't going to always have Dark Ride, and if they do, just run multiple back rows. And I would also like to point out the best deck of the current format, Sky Strikers. Yes. I know, what's the name fucking went to 1. I saw the list. I think I actually did a live reaction to it. It's still going to be the fucking best deck. I keep hearing, oh, they're dead, they're dead, they're dead, they're dead. No, Sky Strikers are still the best fucking deck. Funny enough, Sky Strikers could actually, really, is one of the only decks that can abuse this card the most. Like, outside of Burn, which is what people were thinking about. I thought about one in Burner Countdown, duh. Because I see that Burn is good and it's faster. But it's not as torturous as Final Countdown is. 2, Sky Strikers. As putting this in Sky Strikers as a 5-of. That's right, 5. You play 3 of these, 2 terraforming. Why? Because typically Sky Strikers only have 1 monster on field, which is the Link monsters. Because they don't want to have multiple monsters on board. They can't have anything in the main monster zone, right? So, I mean, why not? So, let's see, Sky Strike, what? There is, after burner, if you control no monsters in your main monster zone, target 1 monster on the field, destroy it. Then, if you control 3 or more monsters, if you have 3 or more spells in your graveyard, destroy one spell/trap. This immediately gets rid of it. Also, they have this, I think it is. If you have no monsters in your monster zone, target 1 set. Oh, it's set. Oh. I thought they had one to destroy. Guess not. Okay, but still, Afterburner, it's a card. You can target your Link. I know that fucking sucks to have to target your Link, but you can target it. And then, you can, use this. You can use this to. Sorry, I have a headache. Oh, I have a migraine. But anyway, you can use this to target the Mystic Mine and destroy it. So I mean, it's not like the best deck can fucking out this card. I keep getting, how the best deck can out it? I mean, Sky Shakers literally have a fucking searchable out to this. It's insane. Also, I would like to point out that right now, some good back row removal, trap removal. Yeah, Twin Twisters, Cosmic Cyclone. Because if people start playing Field Barrier, Twin Twister is really bad, but Cosmic Cyclone isn't. Cosmic Cyclone, Mystical Space Typhoon. There is Spell, Shattering Arrow, which burns them as well, so that's an option. And in the format with so many spells going around, with Sky Strikers being the best deck, it also outs the field spell, it outs multi-roll, so yeah, that's some of the outs. If you want to really get fancy, you can play this outs it, although it's a pretty bad card. If you really want to feel fancy, just dispel. But honestly, that's not that great. But New Storm. But like, these are legit outs to it. Like, these are legit good outs to it. Yeah, they're gonna have fucking Dark Ride sometimes. That's why you run multiple outs. Also, last point I want to make, the main point I want to make is the card balance is itself out. What do I mean by this? Well, it's good against every matchup, but the reason that this card isn't going to see any play, and the reason that this card isn't good, ironically, is the deck that people are complaining about, which is the burn deck. Well, if you go against the mirror match, this card really ain't that great. Trust me, I know. I played the mirror match when it first got announced. I was on the Duelingbook, and I started playing just to see what this card would do. And this card sucked so much. This card was so bad against the mirror match. Oh, and like, we were just like going through our Mystic Mines because we knew that it didn't matter. We were just fucking around and wasting our resources to get this card out. We both had what you call it, the Ojama Trio. So I mean, ironically, it balances itself out because of the mirror match. The mirror match is so bad. The mirror match is so bad. You don't ever want to be caught up in the mirror match with burn versus chain burn with Mystic Mine. The card, it's absolutely complete garbage. And now you're having so many cards that you have to side out just to stay alive. I mean, just so you won't be drawing completely garbage cards. This is what I saw people playing, and this is what I've been playing, just to give you an idea of how many cards that you have to side out just because of it. Terraformings. It's at 1 in the OCG, but we have 2. Set rotation. Lilith is actually still good because of there's other traps in the deck, so it's fine. But yeah, this is the cards that you have to side out. You have to side out 12 cards. So your side deck better be super generic, and I don't even know how you would side out this many cards, because you can't have any one of these cards in your main deck round 2 and 3 because of complete garbage. Ojama 3-0 actually still serves a purpose outside of Mystic Mind. It serves the purpose of giving your opponents tokens for stuff like Just Assert, Secret, Blast, whatever, those kind of burn spells, traps, that is, sorry. So, anyway, you know, will it see play? Maybe. It might see a top of the at locals and maybe at regionals. Maybe, but this card is being way overhyped for no reason. It's not that great. It's not gonna get emergency ban. Konami's gonna want to sell the set, and this is one of the hyped cards. But it will soon. The hype of this card will soon go down when people realize that the card isn't that great. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe to anything in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later. Maybe this is TheJinzo signing out. Peace.